all you need to do to start the mat machine is hit the start button. What that's going to do is that's going to start a timer from there. If you run out of timer on that mat machine, all you need to do is wait 3 seconds or so, press that start button again, and it'll pick back up that same cycle. So what I'll do is I'll take mat, it'll be carpet side down, and that will start to go straight in the most middle part. You'll start to insert that from there, and it should automatically take that mat from you there. As that comes around the back, what you're hearing is going to be dryers on the back with also a press that is pressing all that water and sucking that water out as we go. As the mat falls out, it's directed right on back to you, so all you need to do is just grab that from there, and your mat should be all done from there, and you should be good just to run everything else from there.